This is the final lecture for this topic, that is divisibility and remainders. Let me explain about the common terms used in division. For that, let me take an example. Suppose we have a number 150 and we are dividing it with 4. So 4 3s 12, we'll have 30, then 4 7s 28, and the remainder is 2. In this, the number to be divided is called as dividend, and the one which will divide is called the divisor. This is the quotient and this is called the remainder. We can even write as dividend, that is the given number is divisor into coefficient plus remainder. Remember this. The next is we also need to have some basic understanding of divisibility by 2, 3, 5, 9, 25, 11 and so on. So let me write down the conditions for 2, 3, 5 and 9. A number will be divisible by 2 if its unit digit is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Then a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. If a number is given, just add all the digits. If it's divisible by 3, then the number will be divisible by 3. Now coming to the 5, a number will be divisible by 5 only if its unit digit is 0 or 5. And coming to 9, a number will be divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. These 4 are the one which frequently asked in the exam. Apart from this, you can even memorize for 7, 11, 13, 25, which are not asked that much, but it will be better if you can memorize them as well. Okay, this much of basic is enough. Let's get into the questions. Find the least 6-digit number which is exactly divisible by 349. They're saying least 6-digit number. We already know least means we should always have 1 followed by zeros. So 1 followed by 5 zeros. But this is not divisible by 349. To get to the actual number, divide it with 349. So 349, 1 followed by 5 zeros. Just do the division. When we divide, we get a remainder 186. It means that this particular number is falling short by 186. So here what we will do is, to find the required number, take the assumed number, that is 1000000 plus you take the difference of these two numbers. So 349 minus 186, this is 163. So if we add 163, this becomes 100163. This is the number which is divisible by 349. That is option C. So here I can write the standard formula for this type of questions is, required number is assumed number plus difference of divisor minus remainder. Okay, let's get into another type of question. A number when divided by 136 leaves remainder 36. If the same number is divided by 17, then the remainder will be. So here they did not give the number, so let's assume the number. Let the number be x. Using the standard formula, I can write the dividend is divisor. Here the divisor is 136 into coefficient, which we don't know. So let me take it as q plus some remainder. The remainder is 36. Now the same number is divided by 17. So express this number 36 and 136 in terms of 17. So 36 I can write as 17 into 2, that is 34 plus 2. Similarly 136 I can write as 17 into 8. So this is 17 into 8 into q plus 17 into 2 plus 2. If I take 17 common in this, 17 into 8q plus 2 plus 2. So from this we can clearly make out there is some number multiple of 17. So this particular quantity is divisible. What is left out is 2. Therefore 2 is the remainder. Therefore option A. Let's do one more. There's an expression. They're asking to find out which of the following options can divide this expression. When you see these type of questions, it's better to simplify it to some extent so that we can figure out the answer. So let me write down the question. If I take 3 power 25 common, this is 3 power 25 into 40, that is 3 into 3 power 24 into 4 into 10, that is 30 into 3 power 24 into 4. So clearly we can see that option D is the right answer. So this is the end for number system. To speed up your calculations, practice is a must. So put more efforts on practicing the questions.